welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be filming a self-care evening routine themed vlog. We're going to be doing so much self-care, spending the evening together and showing you all how I unwind. We're going to be ordering some Starbucks, we're going to be journaling, we're going to be colouring, we're going to have the bubble bath, we're going to watch a movie, put the LED lights on. We are going to be doing the most and I'm so excited to be back filming another self-care / evening routine related video. Now that it's summer, I feel as if I've really been getting more into my evening routine and my evening rituals, as unwinding is my favourite part of the day. These are a few of my favourite ways to unwind from the day. I really hope you guys all enjoy watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into this self-care evening routine. First thing is first, your girl is craving some Starbucks, so I'm gonna order some, which is kind of bad because I don't usually order Starbucks, but I'm gonna order some anyway. So it's fine. There's this drink order in mind that I really want to get. I'll see if the app lets me. It just looks so good. It is an iced vanilla sweet cream cold brew with vanilla sweet cream cold foam. That sounds unreal. I never usually get cold brews though, so I'm a little bit nervous. Should I get an iced latte version of it? Should I get decaf? It's 5 o'clock. Okay, I'm so excited. While that comes, let's get the colouring out, get the vibe set in here, light some candles. I've got 2 colouring books. I've got Cozy Corner, cute and comfy colouring book, or I've got this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one looks more fun. I also have these fine liner pens. I love journaling with them. Saucetrain and green, these pens, and of course my journal. I love practicing self-care. I have this caramel pumpkin swirl candle. I know it is technically an autumnal candle, but I love it. I love using it and it's such a comfort scent to me. So I'm gonna use this one from Bath & Body Works. I am holding out because the next time I'm in London, they've actually opened a huge Bath & Body Works and I really want to go and buy a bunch of new candles from them. I haven't actually bought a brand new Bath & Body Works candle in 2 years and they are amazing. They last forever. Lit it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now, guys. Smells insane. It smells so good. I wish I was kidding, it took an hour to get here, but it's fine, it's fine. I'm so excited right now. We got a iced signature espresso latte with oat milk, sugar-free hazelnut syrup, and cream cold foam. Oh yes. Official drink test, let's see if it's any good. It's so good.
I've been blessed since the day you crossed my path. And I know that you'll always have my back.
I have just gotten out of the shower and I thought we could do some skincare. I love doing my skincare routine. Daily, evening and morning ritual where I start and end my day. And it's so relaxing. I literally love doing it so much. Definitely one of my non-negotiables. I just used some of the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. This is so good. I love using it. I've been using it for a while now. Genuinely making my skin feel so hydrated and super glowy. I also love using it underneath my makeup. As I mentioned earlier on in this video, I really wanted to do a hydrogel face mask from Foreo. Use code Sienna35 to get 35% off all things Foreo. These masks are infused with a firming and smoothing multi-peptide complex, soothing and repairing, stem cell extracts and plumping and elasticity enhancing collagen. This luxurious hydrogel mask is completely transparent and specifically designed to be compatible with LED light treatments. But yeah, we're gonna do one of these tonight. I love these and you can keep them on for up to 15 minutes.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you
making the cookies and they've turned out so good. I'm so excited to eat them. Let me show you guys what they look like. Look how good they've come out. These are so good. Of course, I have my milk as well.